Hello everybody and welcome to the MerwinMusic YouTube channel. In this video we're going to build this DIY microphone kit. Okay, so being stuck inside in quarantine seems like the perfect time to knock out some soldering projects. So I have here this microphone kit from microhpone-parts. Not sponsored by them at all. And I actually picked this up a couple months ago, but I've been busy with other things. And it's finally time, I think, we get around to putting this microphone together. So just taking a look in the box. I got some pamphlets. I got the instructions there. Got a nice bag. The mic body itself. And some parts. Looks like the mic capsule. Cool. Some PCBs and other little components, and a normal style mic clip here. Alright, so I think I'm going to show you some of the process of putting this together, but really I'm just going to follow the instructions here. So if we end up liking this mic in the end and you want to build your own, you can just buy it and you follow the instructions just like I did. At any rate, let's get into it. Okay, so I got the additional instructions pulled up here on the bench computer. So we're going to follow those and see if we can't get this capsule mounted in this microphone. Okay, so here's the microphone all done, and right off the bat, I gotta say I'm very happy with it. I've been playing around with it, doing some stuff the last couple days, and overall I think it's a fantastic sounding microphone. Now the first thing I noticed is just the top end in this mic is very nice. I feel like a lot of microphones, kind of the analogy they use is it has like a blanket over it. It just sounds muffled and there's no top end in there. Whereas this mic has that nice shimmer in the top end, but it's not too much. It's not ear piercing. It's not harsh. It's just there and it's beautiful and I really like it. So obviously right now what you're hearing is me talking into this microphone. What I'm going to do is reposition some stuff and I'm going to record some acoustic guitar through it. Okay, so I got ahead and repositioned the microphone. I've just dropped it down to level with the neck. And it's kind of pointed at this chunk of the body right here between the edge of the body and the sound hole. Now I forgot to mention in the previous clip, but all the talking I did there, all the guitar playing here, everything you're hearing through this microphone, I didn't do anything to. So no EQ, no compression, nothing. This is just straight up raw signal straight from the mic. So let's have a listen. Set up this mic and now we're doing a test. I think it sounds pretty good, I must confess. I'd like to know how it sounds to you. I think it sounds pretty good.